Alright, so all this steering wheel stuff, you understand? You don't know when I like go one straight brand all the way, you understand? So I have the NRG hub, you understand? The NRG quick release for the hub, and you have a vertex steering, so kind of divert, but it go well, complement the two of them well. Then, alright, so we're gonna do now, I actually change the steering wheel. So how you actually take off the Mazda 3 steering wheel is that it have one screw right there and another screw right there. So once you take out those screws, then the airbag pops right off. But before, you have to disconnect the batteries. Alright, so after you take out the two screws in, this pop right off. Just like that. So no more airbags. So right now, then you use a 21 to open this. See? 21. Yeah, right there. Alright, so see? 21. You use take out the bolt. So after that, you put up this car. This is important. After that, click off these crap, and then take off the steering wheel. So after you take off the grounds, there's a little clip right here. You squeeze down and it pulls right off. Just like that. So pops right off. Alright, so after you put on the hub, then you put on this piece that goes on, the quick release goes on to your understand. So you get some little nuts and tighten it. Alright, see there? Easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Alright, so see there now? Quick release install, I have to use two honey seams. So hold on. Yeah, so two honey for use. But one can use to put it on. There you go. Perfect. Just need to find a way to get this inside there now, and it will complete it.